Earning $100,000 a year used to be the definitive hallmark of financial security. It was the milestone target where the financial friction of everyday life was supposed to completely melt away, replaced by consistent cash accumulation and effortless wealth building. But as we navigate through the 2026 fiscal timeline, crossing the six-figure mark has transformed into a dangerously deceptive optical illusion. Let me ask you a blunt, uncomfortable question. Why is it that you are working harder than ever, hitting your corporate performance metrics, and watching a substantial monthly direct deposit hit your account, yet your liquid savings balance remains stubbornly flat month after month? Why does an unexpected emergency or a simple multi-week gap in employment still feel like an existential threat to your lifestyle? The raw macroeconomic data reveals a systemic crisis hidden in plain sight. According to verified Federal Reserve and Consumer Credit Ledger metrics in 2026, approximately 40% of corporate professionals earning over $100,000 a year are currently living completely paycheck to paycheck. Let that structural reality sink in. Nearly half of the highest earning professionals in the modern workforce have zero meaningful liquid margin. They are operating on a financial tightrope, completely detached from real wealth creation. Today, we are going to open up the high earner master ledger, strip away the social validation of corporate status, and map out the exact mathematical traps that turn a $100,000 salary into a wealth-building dead end. The first layer of the trap is built on a fundamental misunderstanding of what your salary actually represents. The system teaches you to measure your financial capacity based on your gross income, the massive number stated on your initial corporate employment contract. But gross income is a paper concept. It is a theoretical value that exists only before the structural mechanisms of the state balance sheet take their automated extraction. If you earn $100,000 a year, you do not have $8,333 a month to allocate. You are letting a top-line number dictate your consumption habits, while your actual everyday life is governed entirely by a highly restricted pool of net liquidity. Let us audit the real-world anatomy of a standard $100,000 corporate payroll schedule under current 2026 guidelines. When your gross monthly allocation of $8,333 goes through the automated payroll engine, the deductions hit immediately. First, federal and state income tax extractions claim roughly $1,850. Next, FICA and mandatory payroll fees pull out another $620. Then, your employer-sponsored baseline health insurance and HSA allocations remove $450. Finally, if you make the standard corporate decision to contribute 10% to your 401k to capture your company match, another $833 vanishes into an illiquid retirement account that you cannot access without severe penalties until you reach age 59 and a half. What is left on your personal balance sheet? A real-world net take-home deposit of approximately $4,580. Your grand six-figure salary has been compressed into less than $4,600 of active liquid cash flow. Now that we have established your actual net baseline of $4,580, we can analyze the specific consumer choices that systematically incinerate this margin. The most aggressive wealth-destroying asset class on a 9-to-5 salary is the financed luxury vehicle. When a corporate professional crosses the $100,000 threshold, they immediately feel a psychological pressure to signal their newfound career advancement in the corporate parking lot. They walk into a dealership and lock themselves into a massive debt contract. In 2026, the average monthly payment for a new financed vehicle has climbed to an unprecedented $735 a month, but that is only the raw debt service baseline. Let's run the fully loaded math on this vehicle. When you layer that $735 principal payment with modern comprehensive insurance premiums averaging $180 and standard commuting fuel or grid energy tariffs averaging $160, your true monthly cost of operating that single piece of depreciating metal is exactly $1,075. Map that against your actual net cash flow of $4,580. A single automotive decision has just wiped out over 23% of your entire real-world liquid capacity. You are spending nearly a quarter of your net life energy just to transport yourself to the office cube in a manner that validates your corporate ego. The automotive trap perfectly triggers the second systemic wealth drain, lifestyle creep. High-earning 9-to-5 workers consistently fall into the psychological loop of adjusting their baseline consumption to match their career title. They upgrade to a premium downtown apartment, subscribe to premium fitness clubs, order convenience delivery apps multiple times a week, and purchase designer wardrobe assets under the guise of investing in their personal brand. Because these transactions occur incrementally via digital accounts, the structural drag goes completely unnoticed. The current macro data indicates that revolving credit card balances for middle management corporate earners have reached an average record high of over $6,700 per household in 2026. What makes this revolving debt uniquely catastrophic is the current high interest environment, with average credit card interest rates stubbornly hovering at a staggering 21.5% APR in early 2026. Carrying a balance is no longer a minor financial convenience, it is a wealth emergency. When you hold debt at 21.5%, you are fighting a mathematical battle that is impossible to win. The non-recoverable interest payments compound faster than the historical yields of any productive asset index in existence. You are effectively paying a massive financial tax to third-party lending institutions just to sustain an artificial lifestyle that your net cash flow cannot actually afford. Let us run the consolidated monthly budget audit for this $100,000 corporate professional. We take your net take-home salary of $4,580. Now, let's subtract the real operational cost. Your urban apartment lease or entry-level suburban mortgage payment claims $1,900. Your fully loaded financed car payment takes $1,075. Your lifestyle subscription accounts, grocery volume, weekend networking dinners, and revolving credit interest consume a baseline of $1,200. Calculate the remaining sum, $1,900 plus $1,075 plus $1,200 equals $4,175 in total fixed monthly overhead. Out of your massive six-figure $100,000 gross salary, your actual remaining active liquid margin at the end of the month is exactly $405. A single monthly margin of $405 is an incredibly fragile foundation. This is exactly why a corporate professional earning $100K can maintain zero liquid savings. The moment a minor real-world disruption occurs, a routine automotive mechanical failure, an unexpected medical deductible, or an essential travel obligation, the cost easily clears $1,000. Since your active monthly margin is only $405, that single event completely wipes out your entire savings potential for 3 full months. To cover the gap, you are forced to dip into your credit card line, expanding your revolving debt balance and increasing your structural interest drag in an ongoing, destructive financial feedback loop. This structural reality creates a psychological state known as the golden handcuffs. You are trapped in a high-stress corporate position that you cannot afford to leave simply because your fixed lifestyle overhead demands the continuous, uninterrupted flow of your biweekly paycheck. You cannot take an entrepreneurial risk, you cannot pivot to a lower-paying role with higher equity upside, and you cannot confidently stand up to toxic corporate dynamics. Your high salary isn't a tool of empowerment, it is a mechanism of dependency. You have maximum liability, maximum debt exposure, and zero real-world economic leverage. To change this trajectory, we must alter the fundamental relationship between your income and your asset accumulation. An analytical professional must recognize that real wealth is not measured by the size of your gross salary or the status markers attached to your corporate title. Wealth is determined exclusively by your velocity of capital deployment into high-yielding, productive assets. Every single dollar that you allocate toward lifestyle upgrades, high-interest consumer debt, or over-leveraged liability structures is a dollar that is permanently removed from your compounding wealth engine. It is an opportunity cost that freezes your financial progress for decades. So, how does a corporate 9-to-5 worker break this cycle and convert a $100K salary into authentic financial freedom? You must completely discard mainstream budgeting strategies and implement the strict guidelines of the 9-to-5 Chimp Capital Allocation Rule. This system is built on a non-negotiable sequence of structural capital blocks designed to insulate your net cash flow, eliminate high-interest vulnerabilities, and automate your wealth building in complete silence while your corporate career track remains fully secure. Rule number 1, you must establish hard structural boundaries on your major fixed expenses based on your net take-home cash flow, not your gross paper income. Your fully loaded housing costs, including rent or mortgage principal, interest, taxes, and insurance escrow, must never clear 35% of your net monthly pay. If your net monthly pay is $4,180, your absolute ceiling for housing is exactly $1,600. Rule number 2, your total monthly mobility and automotive expenditures cannot clear 10% of your net cash flow. That leaves you with a strict cap of $458 a month for vehicle debt, insurance, and fuel combined. Rule number 3, you must enforce a mandatory automated 20% liquid investment layer that pulls directly out of your bank account the exact same day your direct deposit hits, long before you pay for any lifestyle consumption. Rule number 4, you must build and maintain a rock-solid 6-month liquid emergency fund that sits completely isolated from your standard investment capital or transactional accounts. If your foundational lifestyle monthly overhead is $4,000, you must have $24,000 sitting securely in a high-yield savings vehicle or liquid money market account before you allocate a single dollar towards secondary luxury consumption or aggressive speculative assets. This cash buffer is your financial firewall. If a sudden corporate reorganization occurs, if your division is downsized, or if you face an unexpected career gap, this reserve is the single mechanism that stands between you and credit system default. Rule number 5, your retained cash flow surplus must be automated directly into high-yielding, highly liquid, productive vehicles. By prioritizing low-cost, broad market index funds compounding at a reliable historical baseline of 9% a year over illiquid, high-maintenance physical luxury assets, you are actively scaling your wealth-building engine. You are taking the cash that would have gone toward validating your status in corporate culture and transforming it into real capital that works for you 24 hours a day. This is how a standard 9-to-5 earner converts salary into permanent leverage. You must treat your personal finance strategy as a strict numbers game, completely separate from emotional validation, lifestyle peer pressure, or middle-class societal expectations. The data is unyielding, and the mathematical trajectory is completely objective. The trajectory of your financial life is not determined by the prestige of your corporate job title or the top-line number on your gross salary ledger. It is determined exclusively by your net monthly cash flow margin and your consistency in moving that capital into productive, liquid positions. If you tie up your entire 6-figure salary in depreciating automotive assets and inflated consumer lifestyles, you are freezing your wealth engine and signing a contract to remain financially fragile for decades. When you stop sacrificing your net cash flow for corporate validation, your job ceases to be a trap. It transforms into an elite capital generator. You are no longer working to pay off past liabilities or impress colleagues in a break room. You are working to purchase your future independence. Every hour spent inside that corporate cube becomes a funded step toward complete market sovereignty, turning a baseline day job into a launchpad for your personal balance sheet. Society rewards top-line metrics, the job title, the zip code, the premium automotive brand logo, but the algorithm of wealth generation does not care about optics. A professional earning $70K with a strict 30% liquid accumulation rate is vastly wealthier than an executive earning $150K with zero liquid savings. Real leverage is silent. It does not advertise itself on social feeds, nor does it require external validation from a human resources department. It functions mathematically behind closed doors. The secret of high-earning 9-to-5 wealth building is removing human intervention entirely from the equation. Human beings are emotional creatures prone to lifestyle creep and impulsive weekend consumption. By automating your investment layer, the exact hour your corporate payroll engine processes, you remove the choice from your daily psychology. You learn to live comfortably on what remains, while your actual wealth compounds automatically in the background without needing your daily attention. When you establish a 6-month liquid cash cushion alongside an automated index fund infrastructure, you build an unbreachable financial firewall around your lifestyle. Macroeconomic downturns, corporate restructuring, or unexpected market corrections stop being existential crises that keep you awake at night. Instead, they transform into massive market opportunities, allowing you to confidently acquire cheap, productive assets while others are panicking. Wealth generation is a long-term strategic timeline, not a short-term race for social status. The minor lifestyle sacrifices you make today by capping your urban housing overhead, ignoring consumer upgrade cycles, and driving a modest vehicle are not punishments. They are highly calculated deposits into your future freedom. You are systematically buying back your life energy from the corporate contract ahead of schedule. Enforce the boundaries, run the cold math on every lifestyle extraction, and let your capital compound in absolute silence. Do not let your corporate job title dictate your net worth. Protect your monthly cash margin, secure your liquid foundation, and use your six-figure salary for exactly what it was meant for, building permanent economic leverage that no corporate layout can ever strip away from you. Subscribe to 9 to 5 Chimp right now to decode the real monetary architecture and data-backed wealth strategies your career title will never teach you. We break down the raw numbers every single week so you can build real wealth in silence while keeping your corporate career secure. Now, let's open up the ledger in the community section below. Drop a comment right now with your current job title, your actual net monthly take-home pay, and your true monthly savings volume. Are the lifestyle extractions in your city currently wiping out your six-figure margin, or does your automated wealth engine make absolute mathematical sense for your career track? Let's audit the numbers together in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video.